Do I have a ticket for the movie? You're changing, yeah. Okay. Alright, enjoy the movie. Huh. That guy looked weird. Maybe I should make sure he's not doing anything stupid. Where is he at? Okay, he's at the customers. Sir, are you enjoying yourself up there? Yes, yes I am. My cookies are up there. Sir, can I go get my cookies? If you do, you're gonna die. I don't care. Come, cookies. Dude, you're gonna die. I swear. Cookies, I'm gonna enjoy you so... Aww. Dumbass, you kill me with you. Okay. My cookies kill me.